Hey y'all, so we have made it here to our cabin and we just got settled in. We love this. We have a wraparound porch and we're in the mountains. Wraparound porch, and babe did such a good job driving up here.
Oh,
he did such a good job driving. Yeah. I keep wanting to say job. So the mountains we're at is 𝘬𝘵𝘯𝘯𝘬𝘵 Valley. It was just a couple hours from us. The family drove up to our place and we left. So yeah, it was about 2 hours and 45 minutes to be exact. So it was such a nice drive. But we are here, so I'm gonna take y'all with us. And hopefully I tried to get as much footage as I could on the way up here. So, but we are going to relax and figure out what we're eating for dinner, and then y'all see what else we do. So stay tuned. Look at mom looking. Stay tuned. This is hubby's first time at the mountains.
Take one. I think I like the mountains.
Yeah, so this is his first time. We love the mountains. Me and my family, we used to do the beach every year, and we switched it up and started doing the mountains. Get away from
therapeutic.
It's no humidity out here.
Yeah, the air just feels lighter and cleaner.
That's enough said for me. Sign me up. We're out here at 𝘬𝘰𝘯𝘯𝘬𝘰 Falls. And I did want to add that we were gonna go kayaking after this, but it ended up raining. So maybe next time. The mountain view. Oh, he's on that thing.
Oh, look at him. He's taking a
What if he was like terrible. My parents don't buy me the things I want. I'm definitely on board. And then if I juggle, and if you do this correctly, you might not have to go back to dishwasher.
Wow. I know. Destiny.
I do that all day. I go jogging.
Hey, babe.
You know we had to tip. You already know we had to tip my guy. And you kind of turn, tilt it over.
What?
Okay.